take you through a day in my life. It's pretty simple, man, there ain't much to it. Arizona, listen up. It's like a brand new morning. Wake up kinda early, hop into the shower cause my hair is kinda dirty. Grab a bar of soap cause I gotta feel pretty. For the afternoon cats at the coffee shop, surely I will draw another picture passing time. Ready to get back home and go write another rhyme. But I feel mighty fine where I am, with a drink and Wiz Khalifa underneath my right hand. So I gotta take it slow, no rush. Step out of the shower clean, I don't need to cuss. So I brush teeth, thinking about my front seats, headed for the coffee shop, chillin' while I bump these and speak softly to myself. If I don't make it big, well at least I got my health. But I'ma make it big, I won't even need the wealth. I just need to keep it tight like my white belt. So I will take a mocha if you please. Insert the straw, take you back to my seat. This is what I live for, this is what I dream. Headphones on, life is simple if you're me. Yeah, life is simple to me. Come take a seat if you agree. Skip to the beat, and if you repeat, I'll be stuck inside your head until sometime next week. Yeah, life is simple to me. Come take a seat if you agree. Skip to the beat, and if you repeat, I'll be stuck inside your head until sometime next week. Caught up in the moment, take a bite out of my Twix. Walk around the corner cause I gotta take a piss. Packing up my stuff when my neck is kinda stiff, and my homie Bovie only got me thinking about the biff. So I hop into my car and take a ride. Pedal down to 10, be smelly chronic on my mind. Brain going 80 but I keep to 55 cause I ain't in a rush with the copper right behind me. See, I don't really need to be speeding. Follow what I'm saying without tweeting. Cheesing, word when I'm thinking about the herb. Chem dog, kush or a little bit of perp. OG, sour D, shower me for hours, we rip it. And if it is vapor, we sip it. Pack after pack after pack, I am lifted. Life is so simple, that's if you can twist it. Yeah, life is simple to me. Come take a seat if you agree. Skip to the beat, and if you repeat, I'll be stuck inside your head until sometime next week. Yeah, life is simple to me. Come take a seat if you agree. Skip to the beat, and if you repeat, I'll be stuck inside your head until sometime next week. No worries, go ahead, scurry on. Get your mind clean like a dirty bomb. I said clean, like I hope you didn't hear me wrong. We don't need to pick you out the cut like a dirty thong. So I'm saying, I'ma take a walk outside, see if I can make you visualize what I'm saying. Green meat, brown meat, a multicolored sky in the air got me thinking about my French fries. Take a bite and walk it off. My imagination got me feeling lost. So I ain't really trying to be a boss, I just really wish I had a little bit of dental floss. Food stuck and my tongue won't do it. Screw it, take a piece of gum and chew it. We are all the same like the damn I knew it. And if you got a brain then I dare you to use it. Yeah, life is simple to me. Come take a seat if you agree. Skip to the beat, and if you repeat, I'll be stuck inside your head until sometime next week.
Whenever I travel, I am always asked, where is your angel? Well, as a matter of fact, I always tell them, but they never seem to understand it. Well, I have my angel with me, so have you. You cannot see the angel. But our modern world does not believe in angels. Curious. An angel is put in the category of a myth. Around Christmas time, we have a number of gold ones for commercial purposes. Let me tell you what an angel is, the origin of the word.
You ever feel like someone's behind you in an empty house way back in high school? Breathing down your neck, hands in the closet. Creepy ass dreams never had any logic. I think it's paranoia deep inside our head, or maybe it's that weed from your best friend's head. I'm trying to count sheep and just go to bed, but it's 1 sheep, 2 sheep, 3 sheep dead. You count the hours till the sweet sunrise. When the sun's out, man, your soul is alive. Until the night sky comes back to haunt you. Mysterious things under the bed trying to taunt you. I gain my confidence to stand up and look. Under the bed, it's my hand that he shook. Just a simple man with angelic wings, taking a break from the outfield we're angeling.
First they said here is the world of matter. Then above that is the world of life. Above that is the world of sentiency belonging to animals. Above that is the world of intellect and will in man with a body. Therefore, they said there ought to be some creatures above, possessed of an intellect and a will, but without a body and below God. And hence they people their world with angels.
I'm in my roomie smoking a doobie, calling up Scooby-Doo when I'm feeling a little spooky. I'm not good with ghosts, especially if they're ghoulies, but I'm keeping an open mind as long as they aren't unruly. These Hollywood movies harbor the fear. If I open up my closet, there's something that might appear. Drag me into a dungeon with motive that isn't clear. And no matter how loud I scream, there is no one around to hear. So I'm falling for any bump in the night, bumping the light, trying to turn off some of the fright. I might need a couple moments awake for me to shake the feeling of someone watching me, waiting for me to take my hand off of the light switch. I might just leave it on the rest of the night. It's ridiculous, somebody spoke and filled in the rest. I'm only here to help you, son, please go back to bed.
Our modern world happens to be rather materialistic, and so most people live in a closed universe, in the sense that they believe that man is just an animal, he has no immortal soul, the sole purpose of life is a little security and a little pleasure. We also see this effect of materialism on the relationships of person with person. How little courtesy there is in the world today. There used to be courtesy and politeness simply because we believe that every other person bore within himself a divine impulse.